The second element of Yarn architecture is the application master. The application master in Yarn is a framework-specific library which negotiates resources from the RM and works with the node manager or managers to execute and monitor containers and their resource consumption. While an application is running, the application master manages the application lifecycle, dynamic adjustments to resource consumption, execution flow, faults, and also provides status and metrics. The application master is architected to support a specific framework and can be written in any language. It uses extensible communication protocols with the resource manager and the node manager. The application master can be customized to extend the framework or run any other code. Because of this, the application master is not considered trustworthy and is not run as a trusted service. In reality, every application has its own instance of an application master. However, it's feasible to implement an application master to manage a set of applications, for example, an application master for Pig or Hive to manage a set of MapReduce jobs. The third element of Yarn architecture is the node manager. When a container is leased to an application, the node manager sets up the container's environment. The environment includes the resource constraints specified in the lease and any kind of dependency such as data or executable files. The node manager also offers a number of services to containers running on the node, such as log aggregation service. The node manager runs on each node and manages the activities such as container lifecycle management, container dependencies, container leases, node and container resource usage, node health, and log management. It also reports node and container status to the resource manager. A Yarn container is a collection of a specific set of resources to use in certain amounts on a specific node. It is allocated by the resource manager on the basis of the application. The application master presents the container to the node manager on the node where the container has been allocated, thereby gaining access to the resources. Now let's look at how to launch the container. The application master must provide a container launch context or CLC. This includes information such as environment variables, dependencies on the requirement of data files or shared objects prior to the launch, security tokens, and the command to create the process to launch the actual application. Applications on Yarn. Due to Yarn's generic approach, a Hadoop Yarn cluster runs various workloads. This means a single Hadoop cluster in your data center can run MapReduce jobs, Storm jobs, Spark jobs, Impala, and many others.